Na-start ako sa second year and inactive pa ako ng second year. Tapos, nung third year, din ko na-realize talaga yung value ng junior sa akin. And I worked hard. And if there's one thing I learned na sa buhay talagang meron ka rin ano na kaya sa school, kahit kahapon, on my last day sa school, meron pa rin akong hurt na naramdaman. Pero I always, lagi ko na lang sinasabi na kahit anong mangyari, I still have to win. Kasi Jair, it's one thing na meron mga tao dito na I feel I matter to her. That's one thing na priceless for me. And to all of you, whenever you feel down and you think that you don't matter to anyone, you matter to her. Lahat kayo, you're a part of the that gave me something in my high school. Dito ako nakuha yung inspiration ko to be better. And babalikan ko kayo. Promise ko yan sa lahat. So, alagaan niyo yung programs. And sana makagawa din kayo ng bago. Nung second year ako, talagang inactive ako na nagtawag sa akin si Sir. Pero nung third year ako, pinabot ko. Ngayon mag-third year na kayo, gawin na na. Kaya nyo yung gawin. Piling nyo wala na kang matatagal, pero marami kang kayo matatagal. And basta, don't feel down. Kasi when you aspire to be the best, people will hate you. So, isipin nyo na lang na you have to be strong and you take refuge in there. You find your comfort there. Kasi we will never lose. Basta good luck na lang sa inyo and kahit aalis kami dun sa institution, we're still in Jager. Naging yung mga alumni niya dito pa rin kasi it's an ongoing work. So, thank you for everything and I really love you all. And you will always